Hello again and welcome to the Clark Side of Life. I'm Danny Clark, commercials actor, print ad model and voiceover artist. I'm also father to two amazing kids, but when I try and share my gems of wisdom, I'm lucky if I get tucked aside or even look up from their devices. So what better way to wreak my revenge than being on the one device and app they can't put down. In today's episode, why do my goals fail and how to fix it? Ever set a goal so big you felt like Rocky on the top of the steps, only to quit 2 weeks later? You've been there. Well, let's change that today. So the truth about flimsy goals is that most people don't fail at goals, they fail at clarity. I want to lose weight isn't a goal, it's a wish. I saw the amazing Billy Bob Thornton on a TV show called Lamb Man, and he was tied to a chair, blindfolded, and being beaten by a member of a cartel. And he said to them, if you clap in one hand, I've toned it down for YouTube, and wish in the other, see which hand fills up first. So, real goals need structure, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, or SMART for short. So SMART is an acronym for goal-setting framework that ensures goals are structured, clear, and actionable. And each letter stands for a key element. S, specific. Don't just say, I want to be healthier, be precise. I want to lose 10 pounds by cutting sugar and working out 3 times a week. M is measurable. You can't manage what you don't measure. So I track my progress weekly by weighing in every Monday. A, achievable. Goals should stretch you but not break you. So I aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is healthy and doable. R, relevant. Make sure the goal matters to you, not just what sounds good or looks good on paper. I want to lose weight to feel more energetic and confident, especially for my kids. There you go. And T, time bound. Deadlines beat dreams. I'll reach my goal in 8 weeks by, say, August 1st. That puts a time limit on it, gives you something to work towards. So who came up with SMART goals? Well, I can't take the credit for that, unfortunately. That was a George Doran, and that was a 1981 article he wrote called There's a Smart Way to Write Management Goals and Objectives. He was a consultant or a director, I think it was, or corporate planning for Washington Water Power Company, and his article was intended for business management, but the idea quickly spread to all areas of goal setting. Interestingly, Doran originally suggested that not all objectives need to meet all 5 criteria, but the acronym was catchy and stuck, and eventually became something like a blueprint for effective goal setting. So why SMART goals work? It's clarity, no fluff, just facts. Motivation, you know what you're aiming for and when. Focus, helps avoid vague aspirations. Accountability, you can track progress and adjust course if needed. If your goal doesn't pass the SMART test, odds are it's more of a wish. It's a great place to start, sure, but structure turns vision into reality. A strong why beats weak willpower every time. If you ever notice how people say, I just can't stick to anything, or there's no discipline problem, that's a why problem. Willpower is like a phone battery. It drains fast and dies under pressure. But your why, that's the charger, that's the generator, that's the backup battery duct tape to yourself. So if your goal doesn't make your chest tighten or your eyes well up a little when you think about it, it's not deep enough. This isn't about I want to lose weight because summer's coming. No, it's I want to lose weight because I saw a photo of me with my kids and realised I don't want them growing up without a healthy dad. Or I want to get my finances together because I'm sick of the anxiety that hits every time I open up my banking app. That's all emotional ammo. And so link your goal to emotion. Make it personal. So try this. I want to get fit so I can play football with my kid and not pass out after 10 minutes. Boom. Specific, emotional, and real. Or I'm filming YouTube videos because I want to leave something behind that actually matters, not just auditions and invoices. That's the deeper why. And the louder it screams, the motivation is whispering. So, little thing for you to do now, in the comments, write your why. Don't overthink it. Let it rip from the gut. Start with, I want to insert your goal so I can insert your reason and your why, and make it raw. You've got a goal. You've got emotional firepower behind you. Now it's time to lock it in. This is where most people fumble. They think about a goal, maybe talk about it once, and then it floats away like a fart in the wind. So let's make it real. Number 1, write it down or it doesn't count. You're 42% more likely to achieve a goal if you physically write it down. Don't type it, don't think it, don't whisper it to the universe, write it down. Pen, paper. Why? Because that means that something shifts from your brain and it sees it as a plan. And this is a contract with yourself, not just fine print. Secondly, say it out loud daily. Say your goal out every day, ideally in the mirror. Yes, you'll feel like a weirdo at first, but it works. Because repetition builds belief. It's how marketing works. It's how affirmations work. It's how you got tricked into believing you weren't good enough in the first place. So it's time to reverse it. Say it like you mean it. I'll shoot my first YouTube video this week and post it by Friday. I'll work out 3 times this week because I'm building a strong, energized version of myself. You repeat your doubts constantly. Now repeat your goals louder. Number 3, goal anchoring. Put it to your habits. Let's take it one step further. Don't leave your goal floating in mental space. Anchor it to something you already do every day. It's called habit stacking, and it's ninja level goal hacking. So while brushing your teeth, say your goal. While boiling your morning coffee, visualize it done. While tying your shoes, repeat your why. It turns your goal into part of your routine, not just a pipe dream that lives in your notes app next to your passwords and half-finished to-do lists. Now, your action now is to grab a notebook right now, write down one goal you're committing to this week. Not 5, not a maybe, one clear, specific, real goal. Then comment below and declare it. Public accountability adds pressure, and pressure builds diamonds, or at least gets your arse in gear. All right, so let's recap this piece. Smart goals, because vague dreams don't get results. Emotional why, because motivation won't survive Monday mornings. Write it, say it, own it, because talking about change isn't the same as committing to it. Listen, goals don't care how old you are, how many times you've screwed up, or how many fresh starts you've already wasted. They only care if you're serious about it this time. And if you made it this far into the video, you're more serious than you think. So your mission now, drop your why in the comments. Write down one goal for this week. Say it loud every day, and even if the dog looks at you funny, keep at it. Remember, no fluff, no fortune cookie wisdom, just full motion. As always, if this hits home, or like me, you enjoy winding my kids up, like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who's stuck in that someday mode. This is the Clark Side of Life. I'll see you on the next one, where in episode 2 of this goal setting foursome, we'll cover the goal getter's mindset. I'll see you there.